everyone, you are welcome to today's teaching. My name is Goody and thanks for joining me. The Bible teaches us that not all food is just food. Sometimes what seems like a harmless act of kindness can be a tool for spiritual manipulation. Proverbs 23 verse 6. Eat thou not the bread of him that hath an evil eye, neither desire thou his dainty meats. This verse wants us to be mindful of what we eat. We shouldn't eat the bread of those with evil intention to avoid harm. In today's video, I will share with you spiritual signs that God may be warning you not to eat someone's food and why knowing these moments is important for your spiritual protection. Watch to the end to know how to recognize the signs and align yourself with God's guidance to protect your body, spirit, and destiny. 1. Spiritual unease. Sometimes the Holy Spirit communicates through an inner sense of unease or resistance. If you are offered food and you suddenly feel uncomfortable, you feel your spirit resisting it, something about the food or situation doesn't sit right with you, something feels off, don't ignore it. It could be the Holy Spirit warning you to pay attention to it. It's not being paranoid, it's discernment. So it's best to trust your instincts and politely decline. It's better to listen to these signals than to regret ignoring them later. 2. The food was given with strange behavior. If the giver of the food acts suspiciously or too eager for you to eat, the person pressures you to eat it immediately. Beware of people who insist repeatedly that you consume something despite your initial refusal. Some might use guilt or emotional manipulation to make you eat. They'll be like, I worked so hard to prepare this just for you, in a way that feels forced or unusual. Be cautious, they might have an evil intention. This could be a spiritual trap. It's a red flag. In 1 Kings 13, 18-24, a young prophet received clear instructions from God not to eat or drink in a certain place. However, he was deceived by an older prophet who lied, claiming that God had sent him to offer food. The young prophet disobeyed God's direct command, ate the food, and faced the consequences. Be prayerful and discerning. Always seek God's guidance in such situations. This ensures your protection against spiritual traps disguised as acts of kindness. 3. A negative atmosphere. If you are offered food in an environment that feels spiritually heavy, oppressive, or negative, it's a clear warning to be cautious. A negative atmosphere can signify that the place is spiritually contaminated. When you attend events or ceremonies where the practices and beliefs differ from your own faith, eating food that has been prayed over or offered in a way that conflicts with your beliefs could have spiritual implication. It might show agreement or participation in rituals that go against God. 1 Corinthians 10, 20-21. But the sacrifices of pagans are offered to demons, not to God. And I do not want you to be participants with demons. You cannot drink the cup of the Lord and the cup of demons too. You cannot have a part in both the Lord's table and the table of demons. So when you are in an environment and such happens, trust the Holy Spirit for guidance and avoid partaking in anything that could entangle you spiritually. 4. Dream warnings. Dreams are often how God communicates warnings. If you dreamt of someone offering you food and it felt unsettling or uncomfortable, if you have a dream warning you about a specific person or food and later encounter a similar situation physically, please avoid that food. If the food offered feels suspicious or you wake up with unease, avoid accepting food from that person in real life. Pay attention. If the same person recalls in your dreams, it could mean God is emphasizing a message you should pay attention to and be vigilant about. So pray for clarity. Ask God to reveal the intent behind the dream and to protect you from any harm. Pray for wisdom to discern their intentions and avoid unnecessary confrontation without confirmation. 5. A history of spiritual manipulation. If the person offering the food has a known history of engaging in questionable spiritual practices, then be extremely careful. The Bible warns us in 2 Corinthians 6:14-18, "Do not be yoked together with unbelievers, for what do righteousness and wickedness have in common? Or what fellowship can light have with darkness?" Ephesians 5:11, "Have nothing to do with the fruitless deeds of darkness, but rather expose them." Here, the Bible warns us against partaking in the works of darkness. Associating with those involved in ungodly rituals, witchcraft, or other forms of spiritual manipulation can open doors to spiritual attacks or defilements. So there you have it, 5 signs to look out for that might indicate it's best not to eat someone's food or when it's offered to you. If you gained any knowledge in this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share this message with others. Let them be aware, and don't forget to subscribe for more spiritual insights and click the bell button beside it to get notified whenever I post. Until next time, stay vigilant and prayerful. God bless you.